Do you forget words when you speak English? Hi everyone, my name is Ariba and I'll give you 10 easy tips to remember words when you speak English. The tip number 1 is thinking in English. Don't translate your language. If you think in your own language, your brain takes more time to find words. But if you think in English, your words will come fast, like this is a bed, this is a fan, or I should maybe turn off the light, or I should go to pray, and start praying in English. This will help your brain get faster. The second tip is use simple words. If you forget difficult words, just say it in easy way. Like if you forget delicious, you can say it's very tasty. Or if you forget hilarious, you should say you're very funny. This will help you continue speaking with confidence. Tip number 3 is speak every day. The best way to remember words is to use them. Talk to a friend, talk to yourself, or talk to the people you are comfortable with. Or you can also record your voice and then listen to it. And if you don't have anyone to talk to, you can just look in the mirror and talk to yourself. Choose a random topic and just start talking. The tip number 4 is learn words in sentences. Do not learn just one word. Learn how to use that word into sentences. When you know how to use words in sentences, it will make you learn faster those words and it will help you speak faster and learn faster. Like the word beautiful, you can say the sky is beautiful or the melody is beautiful. She is very beautiful. You can use those words into like 5 or 10 sentences and then you will get used to those words and start speaking in your daily language. Tip number 5 is use sticky notes. Use sticky notes and stick them on your walls or your doors or wherever you sit the most or wherever you stays the most, like on your work table or anything or around your dining table. It will help you to get used to those words. When you read them every day, you will eventually learn those words and their meanings, and you will start using those words in your daily conversations and make 5 or 10 sentences of those words every day until you remember those words on your fingertips. The tip number 6 is watch, listen, and learn in English. Your brain learns faster when you listen to English daily. You can watch English movies with subtitles, or you can listen to English podcasts or songs. When you hear the same words again and again, your brain remembers those words better, and this makes speaking easier. The tip number 7 is repeat and use new words. When you learn a word, don't say it once. Read it out loud like 10 times again and again. Try to use them in different sentences, like if you learn a word exciting, you should say this movie is exciting. I am very excited for the show, and so on. The tip number 8 is stay calm. When you forget a word, don't panic. Take a deep breath and try to explain it in another way. Like if you forget the word umbrella, you should say it is something we use when it rains. People will automatically understand you. Speaking in English is not about being perfect, it's about communicating. The tip number 9 is write more. Writing helps you remember the words better. Start writing a diary. You can write about your day, your feelings, and your plans, future plans. It will make it easier for you to find words when you speak. The tip number 10 is connect words with images. Your brain remembers pictures better than words. Look at an object and say, this is a pen. Well, I have two pens. One is red and other is blue. I have a laptop. Or this is my room. I have black hair. Or this is a chair. This is my working table. So you can say these words with say out loud, and this helps your brain to speak words faster. So these are 10 easy tips to learn words quickly when you speak English. Try them every day and use them in your daily conversations. You will get better results. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coffee with Ariba.